A great way to get more traffic and views on your videos is through collaboration with other YouTubers. You can collaborate with others who have similar sized amounts of subscribers and similar niches. And if you provide great content and you have a skill that you can leverage off of, bigger YouTubers might even want to collaborate with you. Okay, and you can also collaborate with other YouTubers to create a network of videos that drive traffic to each other. Because when you're watching videos on YouTube, YouTube has a list of suggested videos along the side of that video, and most of these videos are related to the video that you're watching. So you can collaborate with other YouTubers to create videos of similar topics that hopefully YouTube will put on along the side or where they put the suggested videos, so that you guys will help each other into driving traffic to each other's videos. Okay, or you could just help create videos together and promote each other's YouTube channels. Now, before contacting YouTubers, I recommend that you add some good quality comments first on their videos so that they'll notice you and know who you are. And who knows, they might even subscribe to you if they notice you and they like your comments and they like the videos that you're putting out there. Okay. Now, if you want to look for YouTubers to collaborate with, aside from just looking on YouTube, you could also go to a site called yttalk.com, and that's a forum for YouTubers. Now, if you have the time and you really want to hustle, then I suggest you go and comment on as many related videos as you can, because a certain percentage of the audience of those videos that you're commenting on will probably also click on your profile picture and check out your videos. And as I've said in another video too, when you comment on other YouTubers' videos, that YouTuber, the person that created those videos, might also notice you and even subscribe to your channel. And the more you comment, the more that these channel owners will notice you, and the more likely that they'll want to collaborate with you. Now, keep in mind, when you're trying to get traffic with your comments, people will more likely click on your profile picture if you have an eye-catching picture. Having a nice profile pic can make people want to go to your channel when they see your pic in the comment section. But word of advice though, to not blatantly just promote your channel in the comments section. The comment section is for people to share good information and just to have fun with each other. Okay, so try to make some good quality comments, and you never know which comments are going to get popular and get lots of views. Here are some more quick tips for you to drive more traffic to your channel and to get more views on your videos. I can't stress the importance of thumbnails enough. An eye-catching thumbnail will grab attention and will result in more clicks. Okay, so if you want to create a thumbnail, what you do is you go to canva.com. This is a free tool, and when you register on there, create your free account, you'll be able to use all their templates. They have templates for e-covers, website banners, and social media banners, and they also have one for YouTube thumbnails. And what you could also do is, if you want to get some ideas, go look at thumbnails on YouTube that get your attention and try to model your thumbnail after those that get your attention. Now, creating good content is what ultimately will make your videos go viral. If you don't have good content yet, do not worry. Just keep making videos and be persistent, because eventually you'll get better at making good content. Even the top YouTubers who are making 6 or 7 figures a year, when they first started out, a lot of their content was not good as well. And make sure to optimize your home page, such as your channel trailer, your featured channels, and your featured videos. Another way to get traffic to your videos is just by emailing and texting your subscribers. So in your videos, in the description, try to put in a link to a squeeze page or to your website where you can collect their email addresses. Now, I'm not going to go into detail on how to create a squeeze page or a landing page because that's beyond this course and that's for another course. But you could also go on YouTube and learn how to create squeeze pages and landing pages. And those are basically where people would fill in their contact information in return for a gift, such as a free ebook or a checklist or some tips or a newsletter. Okay, you can also put links to your other videos in your video description as a way of getting more traffic to your other videos. Okay, and let's not forget about physical promotion, word of mouth, and just using business cards when you go out. Okay, you could also have your own website or blog, create content on there and drive traffic to your channel and your videos through your blog posts. You can also look for videos that have a lot of views and make videos on similar topics. And lastly, what you could do if you are in the travel niche and maybe even in the eating or the food niche is you could put pictures on Google Maps at different locations and put links in those pictures to your YouTube channel.